everyone, I'm Lance Albert Cruz Sr. from HM2C. Good morning po ma'am. Funding resources. Society needs priorities often determine where funding is allocated. For example, a society that prioritizes healthcare may invest heavily in the medical research and technology. Ethical standards. Social norms and ethical considerations shape the development and application of technology. Issues such as privacy, genetic modification, and all ethics are influenced by society values and debates. Public acceptance that success and adoption of technology depends on public acceptance. Social attitude can drive or hinder the implementation of innovation, as seen with renewable energy, vaccine, and biotechnology. Regulation and policy. Governments influenced by society demands create regulation and policies that guide the development and deployment of technology. This can be affects everything from safety standards to intellectual property rights. Cultural influence. Cultural values and tradition can shape scientific research topic and technology development. For instance, culture with strong environmental values may focus on sustainable technology. Education and skill. Society. Investment in education impacts the development of science and technology by shaping availability of skilled professionals and research. In turn, advance in science and technology can also affect society by alternating economic structure, social dynamic, and daily life with reciprocal relation highlights the interviewed nature of society development and technology progress. Technology is used by humans to explore, connect, study, and do work. The manner in which we use technology decides whether its effects and beneficial or detrimental for society. Cultural is formed by the shared values of society. Values determine what considered a priority, what is appropriate or not, what is right and wrong. Culture influences what is research and what is not, what should science and technology focus and when. Society helps determine how resources are deployed to fund scientific work, encouraging some sort of research and discouraging others. Similarly, scientists are directly influenced by the interests and needs of and often direct their research towards topics that will deserve society. Thank you po.